Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, and on this vlog we have a MK1 Golf GTI that's had a little bit of a faux pas, but we'll get onto that in a little minute. So we have it dropped off now. It's absolutely awesome. So we're going to give it full decon wash, we're going to get it in, and I'll show you exactly why it's in with us. So the car has all been decontaminated, dried and brought into the unit. This is the reason why it's in with us. There's a building fire and it spread to an underground car park and a couple of other cars. This was thankfully parked kind of well out of the way. However, when fire and rescue were doing their thing, the chemicals have gone all over the car essentially, and the full car is covered in these little dots, etching marks, caused by the fire suppression chemicals. So the whole grand plan is, so it's been decontaminated. I've had a look at the car before the car actually came in with us. I'm fairly confident that we'll be able to do what we need to do to get this sorted. Might involve some sanding through to get basically through that horrible etching, hopefully into nice paint underneath. We want to try and keep this as original as possible, so the customer really doesn't want it going to a body shop, which is why it came to us. So the insurance company building are footing the bill for it, thankfully, because there's a lot of work involved in this. And again, it's been budgeted for wet sanding, so we're going to get cracked on. We're going to do a couple of test panels on it, see what's the best course of action to go ahead with, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Well, great success with the test panel. It's all coming off, thankfully, just with corrective polishing. It's leaving a bit of hazing, so it needs refined, but that's absolutely fine. We'll get on with that. That's basically just like a two-stage what we'll be doing anyway. But yeah, that's saving an awful lot of headache as the days go on. So we've done this section, so as you can see, it's absolutely flawless there, and then onto that you can see all the haze and swirl marks, and then all the etching, and then onto the section there, which done as a test panel, which was the worst section on the car, that kind of driver side section of the bonnet. So yeah, we're chuffed with that, but we've still got a long ways ahead of us. The full car's getting a correction, because the car's basically spotted all over with these wee marks. So I'm going to crack on with that, get the polishers out. We're lunched up, so we are good to go. So yeah, start the polishing. So it's day number 2 working on the Golf GTI. Yesterday we got the roof and the bonnet section completely finished. The difference is absolutely night and day. So today plan is to tackle the sides. So First cut we're doing 2 passes with, and then we're refining that back with a second pass with a lower polish, or lower abrasive polish, and a finishing pad. But yeah, the paintwork's coming up absolutely cracking. As you can see, there's swirliness all over the paintwork, and there's more of that etching. It's basically just dotting round like all over the car. Got some kind of tricky sections in there where it's caught down in there, but yeah, it's all coming off fairly easily with the polish and pad combos. So we're just going to slowly make our way around the car and get this little thing looking absolutely epic. So day number 3 working on the Golf, and the polishing work all got finished in the morning. Josh has just done the pre-coat and wipe down on it, and it's all good to get coated. As you can see, the gloss is absolutely unbelievable. It's a solid black paint, so nowhere for the defects to hide, and yeah, the correction levels on it, gloss just looks incredible. So I've no doubt the customer is going to be absolutely over the moon and save the car needing to go in for body shop work, i.e. resprays and stuff. So we're going to get our lunch, and then we're going to get cracked on, and we'll get the coatings done on this funky little car. Well, that's the little Golf GTI completely finished, and what a transformation. The action marks all removed, and the gloss and clarity in the paintwork after the work is absolutely insane. So I'm sure the customer will be overjoyed. This is the last car that we've done in 2022. So yeah, we are now locking up and getting ready for Christmas and New Year, and I shall see you in 2023. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please have a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and yeah, please consider subscribing and hitting that wee bell. It would really help me out. Thank you.